Now repeat after me. Talk.
Okay, Pastor will talk. Baby, I don't know how to explain this to you. I don't know. God. You know, since we have been dating, we have not entered the other room. I'm a Hermaphrodite.
Jesus. Which means
I have this. Bro, baby, please forgive me now.
How people not go?
Excuse me, I want to use myself.
What's up, my people on the day? It's your boy OBIKING, and I'm back again with another episode of my comedy reaction. So guys, please make sure to watch to the very end, because trust me, this is gonna be a blast. So if you're yet to subscribe, do the needful, subscribe, drop nice comments, and please share this video. You feel me? So don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Out of me and you, what go take?
Don't talk to me.
Was baby not saying I should wake you up with this pistol?
Is the baby mad? You want to wake me up with pistol?
The baby wants something. I have been here sleeping since.
So because the baby wants something now, you want to kill me? What did the baby want?
The baby said he wants taste snow.
Are you whining yourself? Or whining snow? We are in Nigeria now. Where do you want me to see snow?
The baby said you should go to Switzerland. There they have ice block snow.
I should go to Switzerland. The baby must be dreaming.
Maybe what they want.
what did be this?
It's okay. Snow. Snow.
我们这辈老仔，脖子上喜欢挂鱼牌，香炉供台上摆，长大才开白黄牌。
Hello, guy.
Hello?
Your wife is in labor.
I thank you, my God, for you to be giving me
You just
the
got
power
going.
to defeat my enemy. I thank you, Lord.
What be this?
I can see the
Now, so what that is?
Yes.
Where is the snow?
You are in labor. You want to take snow?
The baby said he wants to see the snow.
Take.
What's this?
Snow.
The snow has melted.
I flew from Switzerland to Nigeria. I don't expect the snow not to melt now.
What be this?
You know they're born again.
The baby said I should not born again.
I swear they're not born you that baby well. You will born that baby, or that baby will born you.
Thinking I don't see the head.
Jesus they do. Soso wonder. Jesus they do.
Why the guy know this man?
Things say they easy. Now the 90th time in they try do wedding with this.
Yeah.
Now Arsenal to me man, Arsenal to me man, come 200. I didn't like church.
What did it matter? Now Soso wonder. Jesus they do. Hey, Jesus they do. I never see anyone like you. I never see anyone like you. I never see anyone like you.
Nigeria is not for the
Jesus. From when I was born, now I am getting old. I've never seen anyone like you.
Bro, try put this guy rank. Devil don't come with the generator.
Whether the devil likes it or not, this wedding must hold. Hello, brother. Remove that suit. Take it off immediately. Fast. I have these feelings that this suit is one of your problems. Have anyone told you that?
Once.
Wear my own. The devil is a liar. This wedding must hold. Wear my own. Power!
Thank you, Jesus.
Off color.
Where could that be?
Hey, good that thing.
I don't know.
Go back. You go use your hands, scatter your wedding, no.
Why in the verse? Monkey wants to fight this fine girl, Gary and Granola. You know, seeing pimples. Leave her. Leave her.
Leave me.
Enough. It's okay. Enough. Take this strength. Now repeat after me with your name. I,
Brother Paul Wachuku,
has vowed to love and cherish.
To love and cherish.
Hey! For church.
Who did that?
Who did that?
Jesus.
Leave this up! Leave here! Leave here!
Man, come on here. This one pastor don't talk to Python.
The devil really come for this one.
My volunteer. You should never from there they come.
Because of this distraction, let's start with the bride, please. Hand the ring over to her. Hello, sister. Repeat after me with your name.
I am Miss Choma Kelechi.
Has vowed.
Has vowed.
You joking?
Has vowed.
Has vowed.
Has vowed.
Wow. She did possess you.
You both don't want to start the answer.
Not on Tuesday, Wednesday.
Have you seen what it cost? Now repeat after me. Talk.
Okay, Pastor will talk. Baby, I don't know how to explain this to you. I don't know. God. You know, since we have been dating, we have not entered the other room. I'm a Hermaphrodite.
Jesus.
Which
Hermaphrodite.
I have this.
You get the clue.
How people not go?
Excuse me, I want to use myself.
You go stand now.
It is very shameful for you to accept that.
Hello, fine girl. I must tell you, from the look of things, you look like the actual look of my dream. And I assure you, I'm going to marry you. No, don't say anything, don't stress yourself because I'm the one that's supposed to be doing the talking. From the look of things, an angel is missing in heaven because you just came down from heaven. So tell me, what is a pretty girl like you doing under this sun, standing here in this lonely road alone?
Oga, actually, I was looking for who to rob, but since you are here, no wahala. I'm going to bring her to the phone.
Jesus is strong.
Bring out your money, bring out your phone, bring out everything. You won't kiss this gun. Bring out the phone. Check the other side. I'm scared for my
Jesus! This one is a fine girl like you doing another stuff somewhere everybody they do. You reach my door, I meet an nene. Let's get Wahala with this now. Oh my God.
Why don't know you they go?
Yeah, I see they worry you now. Shall we go? I tell you to go anyway. She say me I get stand. You know, pass me to go yo.
No vessel. I bet you just drop person here. Where are they go for here not far? I think he will give you 5K.
Guy not the cab man. Guy not the two cab.
Let's watch this video.
Which kind of rubbish about this one now?
Should I have some 1 or 2 things to tell you? Let's watch this video. Handicap.
I don't think they worry. Everybody will get Corolla and they do Uber. Everybody will get Corolla and they do taxi. See me can tell you, this Corolla a commercial car, a private car, my personal use. You hear me? They can't probably come on here.
Where they go for here not far? I think he will give you 15K.
15K. You say where they go for here not far?
Enough far.
No, that's a motor now.
Really? Hey! Seriously, Joe? Are you leaving me here? I thought you work on that Chevron. And this is one of your car.
One man.
So, what's happening here?
Yeah. Men deny job because of you. Are you the feed down?
My brother could be hot. As I don't like if I see one-on-one, eh?
What kind of embarrassment is this? Yeah? So you're a cab guy?
Bros, when I hit a motor.
Really? Don't ever call me again.
I move. This is where they come on in a spirit.
But wait. Well, how do go not far now? More your leg got to go. We don't almost reach the place.
You sure you know the place?
I know now. We don't almost reach the place.
Oh yeah, now make we they go, make we they go.
I know that stand. Now what's the happen? Again, which guy rubbish bro? Which guy? You got the police mob keep pass me.
No vest, name no road.
Man, no vest. What you tell me? Yeah, stand. You tell me say me I carry 15,000 now. You tell me say make I arrest it now the police.
But why the shelter? Why have the lad? Why don't go no far?
Where they go no far?
I bet you.
Jesus! My ship. Jesus. Jesus. Woman away, lost. It's finished. On my phone, it's gone.
I hope this bread is fresh.
The bread fresh, even fresh like you.
That's all I will talk more.
Carry the bag, go out first, make confirm.
I beg, bros, give me two noodles.
They come. I beg, finish with this lady first, I beg.
Oh, yeah, no, Allah.
No problem, settle him.
Settle down.
Yes, don't worry, settle him.
Yeah. Okay, now.
Almost see gentle lady. Now this kind of woman they find though. See, I will get your number so that maybe when you are free we will hang out.
Okay.
Because I like your gentleness. You're too gentle. Oh man, love is small thing. Correct. See, bro, you know what? See, give her her card. I'll go pay for her.
Man, give her a card.
I say give her her card. I'll go pay for her. What did they do you?
See how you boss.
Take my this thing. Yeah, we draw everything.
It's sufficient for us, boss.
It's sufficient for one?
Yeah.
Okay, remove one noodle.
Still sufficient for us.
Okay, remove the other noodle. Remove one egg.
Boss, it's sufficient for us.
Not be bread where she buy.
Which only bread she buy? She don't buy one bag of fries before you come, and her brother don't ever come go house.
She buy it?
One bag of fries, and I want 5,000.
105,000.
Sir, please, I'm begging you with the name of God. I've been begging you for months now for this job. Help me, please. I really need this job. I've been searching for a job since the day I was born. No avail.
Actually, as you can see, we don't need any more staff. The only reason I'm trying to give you listening ear is because of the person that referred you to me. He's a very good friend of mine, and I wouldn't want to disappoint him.
Okay.
And also because you have been begging me for weeks for this job.
You joking?
I'm willing to give you a chance now.
Thank you very much, sir. God bless you, sir.
Very good. Well, our salary is 150,000 naira per month. Okay. I hope you can iron and wash very well.
Washing and ironing? That's my job description now. That's my area of concentration. If I iron for you, don't worry, leave it for me.
How come your clothes is not ironed?
Oh, you know, actually we did not have light. If we had light and I iron this shirt, it would be so sharp, it can even cut off. Don't worry, leave it for me, I know what I'm doing.
No problem. You can go to the backyard, pack those clothes and start washing immediately. Your job starts now.
Okay, sir. You will regret it.
Let's watch the video. Defend himself. Let's watch Barista Titus, Obonge Grammar, who be the babae? Barista Titus, Barista Titus, child, who go free use English geography? Only Barista Titus. When he speak, you go lawyer. Me use English, Marie Gloria, anti-monopolo geography. Jesus. What be this? Jesus Christ. You are still a blood of Jesus.
Very good.
Hello, sir, please come outside. I want to see you. Sir, the reason why I called you is that I'm a honest person, a God-fearing person. I've been a honest person since the day I was born, and I will always be a honest and God-fearing person. I came from a God-fearing family. That is why when I discovered what I discovered, I said, no, let me come and tell you, because I'm a God-fearing person. Sir, I want to quit this job right now.
What?
Jesus.
Just few minutes after starting the job, you want to quit after wasting my time to interview you. You have forgotten that this is a job that you have been begging me for the past 2 weeks.
Are you playing?
My friend, you are not serious.
My friend, shut up your mouth. When I'm talking, you're talking. Do you think I'm supposed to work in a place like this? If not for the fact that I believed myself to come and work here, if the judiciary and the court system of this country was working, do you think I'm supposed to be working here? A whole academic apparatus because I work here. My friend, I don't need this job. Take the job and chew it and give it to people that need it. Do I look like a broke person?
I wonder.
Please, we're not in the same level. I'm stopping this work right now. I'm gone.
You don't know why it's going on.
Okay, now. Customer.
Yes.
You are here. I beg. I no sure say my boys go don't wash your clothes finish you.
No be clothes I can't collect. You know say they shoot movies. One of the clothes when I give you, the fake dollars so they use as props, they inside. Now I won't come collect.
Oh, my boys go don't wash them.
Okay, you know what? I just remember that I have some at home. Okay. In case when you see them, one and trash and a fake dollars be that. I'll come back and collect my clothes.
Are you playing? What type of plane is this? This is playing.
My $20.
Hey. fake.
It's a pity.
The dollar is fake.
I'm sorry for all of you.
Sir? Sir?
God
sir,
have mercy upon us.
You know, in this life, sometimes you need to tamper justice with mercy. What just happened was a case of severe mood swing. So please, let me continue my job.
You want to continue job where? My friend, get out of my work premises.
Gaga to one gaga.
I got the advice from a madman.
So this is it. You come and ask for your money. Okay. Immediately you ask for your money.
I'm owing him money.
Yes, you are owing him money. Okay. In this set.
In this economy, okay, in this set.
Yes. Then you slap him. Quick. As he asks,
I will slap him.
he will slap you. He best with that.
Oh, okay.
Say you can't ask for him for your money.
Okay.
So after action, you go. Step rolling and action. Oh boy, where my money now? Why?
Oh!
18 years of my career that I've been directing, that I've been producing, that I've been shooting movies. I've never seen the slap this perfect before. Now let's shoot. Now this is it.
You have slapped me already. Right?
Now let's shoot. That's just a dry run. That's a camera in the back. Now, are you ready for me? Yes. So you come into the shot.
Asking for money.
You ask for your money,
right.
and then you sound. This is acting.
All right, standing by.
Let it be real.
Standing by.
Step rolling. Step calm. Let's go. Action.
Oh, but wait till be this now. Why they ask me?
This guy is going to be great. I can see it in him already. There is this thing that we are still missing. There's this piece.
What are we missing?
There's this piece we are still missing.
Yes, I want missing.
I will get it. I will get it. I will love the potential. He's in you.
Okay.
He lives in you. Say he lives in me.
He lives in me.
Yes. So what lives in you have to perform. Don't have to force it.
Alright, standing by.
Reaction. I need more. Just find me. We are missing.
Standing by. I will make sure I don't miss it. And action. But wait till be this now.
Oh!
So this is where the problem comes. He's about to ask for his money. Now you don't even know what is here. Oh, you understand? You don't even know why he's here. Let him say. Let him land.
I run.
Let him land.
Okay.
Is that why man just slapped him?
Okay.
That doesn't look great.
My director, boy, he slapped me.
That's just what you are missing.
Okay.
Let me. I want him to let you land. Okay. You land and you land him.
Okay.
Let them be land.
Okay.
Let's go again. Action.
Oh boy, where my money?
Left hand and use left hand. Sorry, I
But cameraman, do you get it?
Yeah, continuity. I'm not recording. My battery have died. I'm sorry. Can I charge my phone and shoot it again, please?
What be this?
That's the problem. So this time around, you know, I'll use right. Make sure you are using the right.
Boy, slap me.
You know, this is you're a born actor. Please, let's retake. Power bank, please.
Okay, standing by.
I don't want any issue here. I want us to take it once. Let's go.
Standing by.
Standing by. Second and action.
You go faint this time around.
Oh boy.
Oh!
You dodge it.
I'm living in pain. I'm emotionally stressed.
You dodge it. Calm. Hello, mommy. Calm.
Blood of Jesus.
Let's change calm. Let's re-roll. You are a You are a gift. You are a real gem. We know. You are a real gem. You are a man. You are a man of infrastructure and infrastructure.
Yes, I've got it. I've got it already.
We got me, and we are both. All right, I'm back. I'm so sorry. Sorry, someone was calling me. Don't dodge it. Don't dodge it.
Standing by.
Action.
Oh boy, where my money?
Why is the sharp for me? God help me that shit. You could receive it. Now you are not crying.
Yeah.
You don't cry immediately.
He's crying before the slap.
I can see tears from here.
Where are you going now? Sir, director.
Fine girl.
Oh, you really the wrong boy. Can you leave me, Jerry? You know you're gonna be single. What you say? Okay, toast me if you want to toast me, Jerry.
You they go now. No be you I want toast. Excuse me. Fine girl. Actually, no one toast you. I beg. I want to ask you for direction. Number 7B.
Dissolve.
Why I forgot my gun? I for shoot this idiot.
Limau.
Please, can I have your number?
No problem. Come on, which number? See you. Oh yeah. You go your mama house, go wash plates. And you, when you grow up, you take your phone, they go house.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Which kind of insult is this now? Why not let's insult
To be mumu.
Uncle Onion.
Ah, Mr. Larry.
How far now?
Fine, sir.
I came to pick Junior. How was his game today?
Yeah, Junior really needs to take his practice serious.
Hey.
Yes, because he has a habit of during practice always joking around.
Joking around?
Yes, sir.
Wow. All right, no problem. I will address that when I see him.
All right, sir.
All right, thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Uncle Onion.
Yes, sir.
Joking around. Joking around. It san aduro owó yẹn on your football practice. You are joking around. You are on comedy tour. Yeah, Mr. Funny. Made your shoe. You are on comedy tour. Mo tún change school. Mo ní bóyá defense tó ń gbá is the problem. They should change you to number 9. Your last coach was telling me it's not Victor Osimhen, it's Victor Osimhen. No more tell me Victor Osimhen. Victor Beleface. Wà tó gbọ́n. See, because I'm a comedian, I joke for money. I don't joke with money. Just pray that the Lord comes before we go inside that house. Because in you want to be funny. Go skit all my youth. I used to do skit up and down in Lagos. Any stupid joke in your head. I've thought about it before and I did not use it. You want for my joke around. In my youth, I didn't buy best. Me or best as a skit maker. I said when my son grew up, I will use the money on his education. God, if you love this boy, just rapture him now. Just rapture him now. Because if we reach this house, put on another thing, you want to jam you.
Kai, this guy pay me. I won't give you this cutlass. Make sure you find whoever kill you because I never reach for you to die. I know you. This cutlass and to find whoever kill you. Make that person not see peace or rest till you kill that person. Take. And you see this gun, in case the person they run too fast than you, shoot am, make die. Shoot this gun by your killer.
This one don't come do like this guy. You don't go find a killer.
Kai, sing your show. My color.
Person is saying go find killer.
Hello.
Person is saying go find killer.
Hello. My color. Fine girl.
Just a little bit this one.
Hello, boss. Boss, I look for a wife.
My wife, waiting happen.
Boss, when your wife they come from market, so I carry a bag of rice and chicken. So she can say 2 hours time and come and see. Say food will not ready that time. Say they go serve for me.
Okay, now you be that.
And I mean, she tells her they come.
Yes, yes. But issue don't deal.
Issue day.
Issue deal.
Ha. Hope this should not affect my food.
You know what's gonna happen. My wife no like make her dey smoke, so as she come out, I just quickly say make her drag too. Okay. Belle don't bust, so I chop my food, chop your own. I chop my food, chop your own.
Jesus.
Wait. You never reach like that. Stand up first. Stand up first. You know what's happening?
No.
You will give me your number. If she cook later this evening, I go call you.
Boss, don't worry about the number.
You sure?
Boss, no worry, I'll find out shop.
Okay.
Wait. In case if my wife asks you whether I don't give you that food, just tell her say I don't give you, okay?
Boss, I not chop any food. I don't feel like you. All I have to go to a fire.
You know what's happen. If you figure out say I dey do this thing, you go cause issue for my marriage.
Boss, they say truth is bitter, but if you go bitter my mouth, I will tell the truth. I don't feel like.
You know what's happen. I don't get naira, but I get Bitcoin.
You get Bitcoin?
Yes.
Now no wahala, I send the Bitcoin. Trade that with that coin.
Okay.
Call your wallet.
GODISTGROEATEST.
God is the greatest.
Send.
Doesn't it?
Yes.
Okay, me
God is the greatest.
Blast, Boss, when you send me so I don't feel talk am.
Yeah, better no talk.
See, I don't talk anything to your wife, As a matter of fact, I don't format my brain like this. This expectation very good. I go update you.
I trust you.
No wahala. Boss. As I not chop anything, so I chop no corner.
Yeah, that was fine.
Oh
shit.
8 seconds.
Who be that? Who dey for that door? Oga, na you wetin dey find?
Beg. I see your plate for outside, madam. I say make I come return am.
I no cook today. No be me get the plate. I no cook.
You no cook today?
I no cook.
Madam, this one wey box plenty for your house. E be like you dey plan travel.
Yes, so I dey travel. I wan travel for Easter. I dey go Qatar.
Oh, you dey travel this Easter?
Yes, I dey go Qatar. And I Get It To Me Travels wan sponsor am.
Oh, Get It To Me Travel.
Yes, na dem wan sponsor am.
Oh, wow.
Yes, I wan go do this luxury and glam for Qatar. You know, say I be fine girl now. I don't want make anything do my skin at all.
Madam, wow. That means if you go Qatar, that means now Oga go dey house this Easter.
Why Oga go dey house? Why Oga go dey house? I don't understand. Him said if they go Accra now, and I Get It To Me Travel still wan sponsor am.
Talk true. Wow. What of your sister Esther? She go dey house this Easter.
Why Esther go dey house? I don't understand. She said they go see, and I Get It To Me Travels they sponsor that one.
Go see for Ekiti. Get It To Me.
They you get any problem with that?
No, I no get to. At least as you don't, everybody they plan travel. I fit try join you now.
Join waiting. Waiting be that.
I won't join you travel.
Be like say you no serious. I better come up for you.
Waiting
happen.
Okay, I fit follow your husband at least. Make you no come be like
you no serious. Come up for you.
Now you be this black best.
What's going on here?
Now me book ride.
Now you book the ride to go to where? Okay. I said where are your parents to enter inside my car? Where your father and mother? Come. Where are your parents? Where are your parents?
Yes, sorry sir. We are very sorry.
I no one carry children when police came inside. Don't keep up.
Calm down now. You don't see the makeup for you. Now business meeting with this. Sign the contract.
Okay. Now when I don't carry on, I reach where I they go, and I don't pay me my money. Now I go no say on supposed to work with parents.
Woman, they do over.
But then they go money na water.
Money na water.
What thing be this?
Mommy.
Jesus.
Man, don't pass here now. Don't pass here. You can ask question now. Don't pass there. You can ask question.
No, they shout. I not be your mate too. Now they pay me my money now. My money now 20,000.
We the Chris. No be say what be am. No be say you go give my money now. I be money today ah. You go money now. Only you go do the chance. Money na water. Come and pay me money.
Hey! Jesus! So that the fight. If you don't give my money, pay my money now before I turn the brother away.
Drop him, I go pay your money.
Where the money first? Mark money first. Mark I see money first.
Where the money in my pocket? I go pay your money.
My phone. Catch that boy!
Young man, sir. So you say you want to marry my daughter, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, are you sure you can take good care of my daughter?
Daddy, I will not just take good care of her. I will love her just the way she loves to be loved. Just open up her hand and then more. Give us the list, we will return with what is inside.
Okogo.
Yes, sir.
My love.
What thing be this?
I bet
you. Daddy, what's that?
Oh my lord, this is the list. Okay, is it too small? I understand you are in a hurry. So this one is list for elders. By the time you come back tomorrow, I will provide a list for Umada and for the youths.
Daddy, what can you allow? Huh? See the kind list where you go bring for girl where they stingy. Girl I never see her 1 naira before. Now you go bring this kind list.
So you know she's stingy and you still want to come and marry her?
I have my plans drafted out already, Papa. Once I marry her now, MC Bakra and Lolo Bakra they learn work. I'm gonna use the shoot content every 2 minutes. I'm gonna recover the money I don't spend. I have my plans drafted out.
That reminds me, her younger brother, that is my son Emeka, needs to be settled. It is part of our tradition.
What is wrong?
He's not doing anything now, so you need to settle. Even if he's even here, even if he's keke, you buy for him.
So if I hustle finish now, say make I settle down, won't come marry. I will come carry money, go buy keke for person with smoke igbo. Oya nwa goof, leave oya. Oya the koya na goof, not completed building. And I say make I buy keke for him. Is it good?
Point of correction, my lord. My son does not smoke igbo. He smokes loud.
Onye mi awo menala, owa odu, bola chalugo. Ayabela wa ayabela.
I can smell conspiracy. Something is fishy.
Ha! Dissolve!
What can you do for you? I think I see Mona stay inside.
Our mother too much student. They talk to
she
me.
Don't go inside.
You good? I could talk to make your children go inside. Now we're supposed to be the head of this marriage.
You don't bomb, man.
Baby, they are just boys.
This was where enter here and I carry life there. One drink now, boys. Come on, keep that drink, man.
Okay, you shout for us, so when you don't pay our fight, you go shout for us. Yes, because you don't marry our mama.
Oh yeah, I'm na mama.
Odo, where are you living?
I tell you, don't add that statement again.
That mean what you say escape poverty, abi?
Chidi mama, I come from all this thing for here.
Woman, they take rubbish a lot, oh.
Woman, wait till they cook.
Which one be say wetin I dey cook?
I don't feel ask you wait till they cook
Why
again.
you go ask wetin I dey cook? Wetin go say you can say wetin I dey cook?
Wait till I go to arrange for this house, be say make you dey cook, man, I no dey see food chop.
Why you go see food chop?
How?
No be person wey bring money dey see food chop.
I'm the man of this house, oh.
Shut up! You be the woman of this house.
What do you tell me?
Now me be the man of the house.
Me woman?
Yes. What do you dey
Who there? Who are you? Are you Mr. Wadiegu? Na me.
This is your late brother's pension, Anthony. 5 million naira.
Hi. Anto. A very great man. You can go.
I can go.
You can go.
So I'm going.
I say you can go. When I go back for airport, when I go back for office, when I go see back for where when I bring money. Hey, you just said this money is complete.
You know they dance on top next of stage.
Nine, your food is ready.
Jesus! What's going on here?
What's going on?
What you do?
Chai.
Make I go hospital now.
Which hospital? He don't die.
Photo. That's
him don't die now.
Make I go mortuary now.
No. When in die life, he say if he die, make I bury him one.
This kitty now. Jesus.
I'm okay. I know the chop.
Plan B.
Carry the money, Jack. Woman, where you dey go?
Your wife is not different.
What are you doing there? You're still awake.
Where you dey go?
I won't go peace.
Go peace now.
No. I won't want peace again.
All this, I trust my wife. My wife. Calm down, no.
Because of the 5 million. You don't suspect your wife. Your wife sure don't get bad thing for your mind, myself. Like, I don't understand. 5 million now we go finish within how many months? Some people myself get mine. Just like that. Anyway, it's not a joke. But it happens. It happen because she know they give her food because they no get money. So money can't come. No be saying that money will even also for sale now in late brother property money they carry give her, which he will squander. Now the woman don't start to the bring food give him. You understand? So it happen. I just pray it's not gonna be a portion. You understand? Anyways, thanks guys for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right in the comment section, and please subscribe if you're yet to do that, like I always say. You understand? And check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out. They're fantastic, they're fabulous, and they're a blast. You understand? So see you in my next video, guys. Peace and love.